Unlocking the secret to option trading success. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of option trading. Today, we're exploring the best strategies to help you succeed in this dynamic market. The first step in a successful trading strategy is thorough research. Understanding market trends, financial news, and company performance is crucial before making any move. Risk management is key. Always set clear limits on what you can afford to lose, and stick to them to protect your investments from unexpected market fluctuations. Diversification helps spread risk. Don't put all your capital into a single option or strategy. Instead, explore a balanced mix of assets and trades. Consider using the covered call strategy. It involves holding a long position in an asset while selling call options to generate additional income. The protective put strategy can be a lifesaver. It involves buying put options on an asset you already own to hedge against potential losses. Stay informed and flexible. Markets can change rapidly, so being adaptable with your strategy ensures you can seize new opportunities as they arise. Technical analysis can provide insights into market trends. Use charts and indicators to identify patterns and make informed predictions for your trades. Focus on volatility trading if you enjoy dynamic markets. Strategies like straddles or strangles can capitalize on expected market movements, regardless of direction. Don't forget about implied volatility. It offers clues about how much the market expects an asset's price to move and can guide your trading decisions. Paper trading is invaluable for practice. Before risking real money, use virtual trading platforms to test your strategies and refine your skills. Always review and learn from each trade. Whether it's a win or a loss, analyze your approach to understand what worked and what didn't for future improvements. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these strategies enhance your option trading journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.